We couldn't get them back into their nest because it was so high up. So it was too hard to get them in there with that, or else we would have killed them. So right now I'm just getting them some water, and I have one of those little medicine syringe droplet things to measure the medicine and give it to them. So we're doing that.
Did you fill the water back up?
Yeah. And so and right now I'm going to the baby birds. Is that like my dad?
Set it down on the table there.
Is that like my
So
dad?
how do I know if my hands are wet?
Water. So now he's giving them the water. Oh, and there's my dog. I can't see. Nice one. Here's some of my flowers.
These are God's creatures. Can't just ignore. Gotta try.
See, my video didn't work.
See that bird just opened?
This has got to be too much water. Come on, this is a tiny ass little bird. I don't want to drown the bird. They probably just keep eating and eating. You know? They're growing though. Who knows? They've been out there. The one's been choking on the thing. This one seems to be doing fine now, babe. They just needed
Something out of his throat.
Yeah. Well, that one, that's what saved him.
What?
See their little wings?
Yeah. Can you shine the light on him so I can show it in the camera? They just look like that.
Look, watch them. Okay, now the light is bright.
Okay, now stop.
Okay, they got little tiny eyes. And they need food, but I don't know what to give them.
I'll look it up. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because we gotta feed him. Okay, bye.